Welcome to Fantasy Island. Hey everybody, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate in Fantasy Island near Nandi International Airport right here in Fiji. And we have another great investment opportunity for people looking for great rental income right here in Fiji. Walk with me here. We have a triplex. Notice the beautiful pool, waterfront. You can put in your own boat jetty. They're even doing some work on the deck over there. You hear them. This is your first bedroom with double sinks, tiled throughout. Look at the high ceiling rain shower. That is gonna feel so good after a day out there doing some jet skiing, some scuba diving, of course, surfing, all those wonderful boat activities that we have here in Fiji. Available for sale. Go to professionalsfiji.com to find out all the details regarding pricing, past rental income, exact location, property valuation, drawings. All of that is going to be available on our website at professionalsfiji.com. And just call us at +679-999-2051, and you're going to get all the details of this really amazing cash flowing property. That is the second bedroom. Here is the third with direct access to the carport area. Here is your bathroom. Again, all of these have those beautiful rain showers, tile. And this comes fully furnished. So this is a turnkey rental property with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and you can see just literally ready to go. All you need to do is get here to Fiji and we can help lease this property up for you with tenants who might be working in one of the resort hotels with Fiji Airways, Higgins, one of the large employers here. But again, a beautiful opportunity to get 3, so this is a triplex, 3 4-bedroom, 4-bath units in Fantasy Island on a crown lease. Go to professionalsfiji.com or call us +679-999-2051 to learn more about this and all of our fabulous listings here in Fiji. Vanaka.